Hello everyone, welcome to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to extract specific pages from a PDF file using Google Chrome or any modern browser like Microsoft Edge. Sometimes you may not need the entire document, but only certain pages. I will guide you step by step on how to do this easily. By the end of this video, you will understand how to extract pages like 1 to 3, 6, 8, and 16 to 19 from a 32-page PDF using the comma and hyphen correctly. Let's dive right in. Open your PDF in Google Chrome or Edge, etc. First, locate the PDF file you want to extract pages from. Right-click on the file, select Open With, and choose Google Chrome or Edge. The PDF will now open in your browser, allowing you to view all pages. This method is useful because most modern browsers have built-in PDF viewers that allow you to print and save specific pages. To extract the required pages, press Ctrl-P on your keyboard, or click the print icon from the browser's PDF viewer. This will open the print settings where you can choose what pages to save as a new file. Under Destination, click Change and select Save as PDF. This option allows you to extract specific pages and save them as a new PDF file. In the Pages section, select Custom and type the following: 1 to 3, 6, 8, 16 to 19. Let's break it down. 1 to 3 adds pages 1, 2, and 3. 6 adds page 6. 8 adds page 8. 16 to 19 adds pages 16, 17, 18, and 19. The hyphen is used for a range of pages, meaning all pages between the first and last number are included. The comma is used to separate individual pages or page ranges, allowing you to pick specific sections of the document. Important, do not leave spaces between entries. Once you've entered the correct page numbers, click Save. A window will pop up asking you to choose a location to save the file. Enter a file name like selectedpages.pdf and click Save. Go to the folder where you saved the new file and open it. Scroll through the document to confirm that only the selected pages are included and no extra pages were added. You have successfully extracted specific pages from a PDF using Google Chrome or Edge without needing additional software. This method is quick, simple, and works on any modern web browser. Whether you're organizing documents, sharing only relevant pages, or saving key information, this technique is incredibly useful. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.